Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Fern from FML Diversified. Not on camera right now. I'm actually starting a pellet stove where I live, and it's the temperature is supposed to drop tonight. So one of the heating sources is pellets, and I've been using this stove that the ministry I came up under uses in their houses, and it's a pellet stove. So I wanted to show you how I actually just finished cleaning it. I'm starting it. You can hear that noise in the background where it's powering up. So what we use is pellets. Remember, it's like this because I'm still moving in, still sorting, still getting things together, and I'm getting ready to start it up so that it'll heat the house on the floor I'm on. So this is one of the floors, and there's another one downstairs, but I'm gonna light this one actually to bring heat into this floor that I'm on. And you can see inside the stove that it's actually beginning to catch through, and you can see inside there's pellets. If I open it, you can actually see the pellets that's starting to drop, and they're gonna catch, and they're gonna begin to heat as a heating source. Very safe, very, very safe. Been using it, and I was taught how to use it many years ago as another way to also heat. You can put it in different rooms in your house. So these are the pellets that, for those especially who are struggling with trying to hit those oil bills and things like that, can only be run by adults. A lot of safety in it. Yet, do your research. So this is what I'm actually just starting up. We keep everything. We have a fire extinguisher. I gotta bring it up. Fire extinguisher on every floor. You have the pellets in a bag. That's an empty bag, and it's just another way to provide a heating source for those who maybe can't bust wood. When I first met the Lord's pastor, who since went home to be with the Lord, she used to bust wood, and then after that was one of her sources. She had an old pot-belly stove when I met her, which we always were just so fascinated for those who are used to city life. So then learned how to bust wood, and then the Lord taught me how to bust ice. And so now I'm getting ready to set up for the night so I can take and have some warmth while I sleep. And I don't know if I'm going to start the one downstairs, which is bigger than this one. It's maybe twice the size of this one. But it's just another source of heating for those who own your own home. Yeah. For those who own their own home and desire another source, if that oil is too much, always be able to heat up with a pellet stove and have heat in your house. You have to lay the foundation. Those are bricks on the floor. Someone might say, my floor, hey, I'd rather have the heat. So you put the bricks down, you will lay the bricks. I'll teach more on that later. And then you have your water as a backup and things like that. So again, this is in my bedroom. Very, 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 very safe. There's tons of videos online. And all, you got to just do your research. So don't be afraid to put a hole in the wall, because if you ever decide you don't like it, you could take it out. But do the research before you even get into it. So this is, again, another heating source that you can have to heat your house. They have window ones. They have a variety. So just do your research. Again, this is Fern from FML Diversify. We'll talk to you later. Stay warm. Have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe and share the channel and learn different things. Talk to you later.